Hey everyone, want to create games but don't want to spend money on art? Check this out. There's a free online AI Sprite Generator. It's super simple. Just go to the website, type in what you want, and the AI creates your character's animations in seconds. Look at this. I type boy, I choose some settings. A few seconds later, done. You get a complete sprite sheet with animations, ready for your game. You can use it completely free. No payment, no credit card, nothing. Just open the website, describe your character, and create as many sprites as you want. Go to the website, try it out now, and start creating your game today. It's totally free and very easy. Which character will you create first? Leave it in the comments. Thanks for watching.